Locking your electric scooter is a crucial step in securing a high-value mobility asset in public spaces. The best scooter locks balance cut resistance, diameter, length, material quality, and practical features like protective rubber coatings and convenient carrying options. In this review, I tested 5 commonly available models across a price range from $10.99 to $47.99, representing budget to premium categories.
List number 1. Scooter lock. The Hanzex 36.22-inch high-security lock resembles a handcuff in appearance and uses a full alloy steel chain with a rubber lock cover to prevent surface scratches on the scooter. The chain length is 60 centimeters, about 23.6 inches of exposed chain, with a total lock length of 92 centimeters, 36.2 inches, and a chain diameter of 0.6 centimeters, 0.23 inch. It is designed for broad applicability across mobility tools, bicycles, and motorized devices, with a protective sleeve to reduce noise and scratching. Priced at $37.99, it sits in the premium mid-range, offering robust metal composition and extended reach compared to typical cable locks. Performance-wise, the full alloy steel construction emphasizes cut resistance and long-term durability, while the rubber cover reduces friction against paint or finishes. The length provides flexibility for anchoring to larger fixed objects, but requires adequate mounting space. The unit weighs about 3.43 pounds, which is relatively heavy but acceptable for high security needs. The 36.2-inch total length allows locking around bulky posts or multiple anchor points, but its stiffness can limit easy lock-to-lock maneuver in cramped spaces. In daily use, the lock is straightforward with a classic key mechanism, and the rubber cover helps mitigate cosmetic scratches.
List number 2. Scooter lock. This Hanzex lock combines a heavy-duty handcuff-style chain with a waterproof carrying bag, adding practical transport and storage convenience. It uses a 92-centimeter total length with a 60-centimeter chain and 0.23-inch or 0.6-centimeter diameter, similar in size to the first product, but includes a waterproof bag for on-the-go storage and transport. Priced at $47.99, it is positioned as a premium option with added accessories designed to improve everyday usability. Performance and user experience are enhanced by the included waterproof sling bag, which allows riders to secure the lock on the scooter or carry it easily without misplacing it. The rubber cover protects the scooter finish, and the alloy steel construction provides strong cut resistance. The combination of a larger carrying solution and sturdy hardware makes this model well suited for riders who park in busy areas or commute with the lock transported on the device. The bag's presence helps address common rider complaints about misplacing or forgetting locking equipment. The lock retains a classic key mechanism, ensuring quick entry once you have the key.
Number 3. E-scooter lock. FXIRUA's 4-foot-long, 0.472-inch diameter cable lock uses a 4-digit combination, factory default 0000, and a 12-strand steel cable with a frosted PVC coating for weather resistance and abrasion protection. It also includes a dedicated lock holder, compatible with most handlebars to simplify mounting and transport, with a listed price of $10.99, making it the budget option in this set. Performance-wise, the 4-digit combination eliminates the need for a key, reducing the chance of lock loss, while the IP-rated waterproof design helps resist rust and weather exposure. The 4-foot length balances versatility and manageability, suitable for securing scooters to rails, bike racks, or posts. However, a cable lock generally offers less cut resistance than a heavy chain, and the 0.472-inch cable diameter, while sturdy for light to moderate attempts, may be more quickly compromised by bolt cutters compared to thicker chains.
List number 4. Scooter locks anti-theft. IMACCK's key-based chain lock emphasizes cut resistance with a longer chain length, 94 centimeters total, and a 7 millimeter chain diameter. The lock presents a visually simple design with a protective rubber sleeve to reduce cosmetic damage and noise while anchored to devices such as Xiaomi, Ninebot, Segway, and other scooters and bikes. The item weighs about 3.56 pounds and is priced at $37.99, occupying a similar tier to Hunsex's mid to upper range options. In practice, the longer chain provides a broad locking envelope for securing around bulky posts or multiple anchor points, which is advantageous in crowded urban environments. The 7 millimeter chain diameter offers solid resistance to some cutting methods, though not as thick as heavier premium chains. The coating and material choice aim to maximize longevity and minimize finish damage, and the product's compatibility across multiple scooter brands makes it a versatile choice for multi-brand households. Usability is straightforward, with a traditional key mechanism and a compact form factor when coiled.
List number 5. Heavy-duty electric scooter lock with scooter back. Taki's 6 mm thick chain with 94 cm total length sits at the heavier end of the spectrum and includes a weatherproof bag, aiming at durability and convenience. The lock uses a pin tumbler mechanism and a combination of alloy steel and zinc in its construction. It weighs around 4.28 pounds and is listed at $45.99, positioning it as a premium option with emphasis on chain strength and weather resistance. Performance-wise, the 6 mm chain diameter provides enhanced resistance to cutting compared with thinner chains, and the 94 cm length offers good flexibility for urban setups, where anchors may be farther apart. The protective rubber sleeve and included bag promote easy transport and finish protection during storage and travel. The inclusion of a bag along with the sturdy build makes it a practical choice for riders who frequently lock and unlock in varied environments and want to minimize bagging or misplacement. The product's weight can be a trade-off for riders prioritizing security over portability.